Good morning everyone. This is New Vision International School Computer Department. This lesson is for grade 9 students. Chapter is IT Knowledge, Lesson 1, page number 72 and 73. Before starting the lesson, prepare yourself with a book, a pencil and a copybook. The lesson name is Computer Networks. A computer network is a set of computers connected together for the purpose of sharing resources. The most common resource shared today is connection to the internet. Kinds of computer networks. There are two kinds of computer networks: the LAN or the local area network, and the wide area network, which is also called WAN. In short form, we will always use LAN and WAN. Local area network is a group of computers linked together within the same building or even in a local building. Like in our computer lab, we are using local area network. We have connected the whole network with all the computers connected together, and a wide area network or WAN covers a town, a country or even the entire earth. The internet is the right example of the biggest WAN network on earth. The use of computer network. A network is established between computers in order to share information. The network allows computers to connect and communicate with different computers via any medium. There are some similarities and dissimilarities between all of them. On a computer network, data can be sorted on two types of locations, that is called secure access and unsecure access. Secure access is very much safe, and unsecure access, which we can also call as public access. In secure access, the secure area cannot be accessed unless the user has a name and a password. For each computer network, one administrator is delegated to manage it. Every time when you are making a computer network, then there should be an administrator who will manage all the work of the computer network. The unsecure access, an unsecure network or a public area network is most often refers to a free Wi-Fi network, like at a coffee house or a retail store. It means there is no special login or screening process to get on the network, which means you and anyone else can use it. So every time when you are using a network, then you should have a name, a username and a password. On page number 73, you can see a chart to understand. Now there are users. Over here you can see the network administrator, then the school director, and the school director is further divided into management, accounting, head of departments, and head of departments is into teachers and students. The public area is generally accessed by all the network users. The secure area is accessed by users with a username and a password. every time in an access area there should be a username and a password. Every time when you want to access the network, then it will ask with you what is the username, what is the password. That is called the access area, secure area. The role of the computer administrator. Duties of a system administrator are usually charged with installing, supporting and maintaining servers or other computer systems, and planning for and responding to service outages and other problems. Other duties may include scripting or light programming, project management of system related projects. All the system administrator or the computer administrator will look after on and off the network, assigning roles, a username and a password to each user, then the troubleshooting of any network problem, performing the backup and restore functions. Backup and restore functions means then that this is the work of a computer administrator, that he will always complete the backup files, backup plans, backup functions, and if something will corrupt or something will damage in your computers, then he will restore them again. This is the whole lesson. Thank you students. I hope that you will understand.